Hi, this is Carl Kruger from Qualitation, talking about the AS9110 Aviation Maintenance Standard. Clause 8, Operation. Put the wrench to the aircraft, but follow the manual. This clause ensures that work on aircraft or components is properly planned, controlled, and traceable. You must know what has been done by whom, when, and why. Otherwise, people do the most strange things. It includes validation of work instructions, part control, tool calibration, and supplier oversight. And it is vital to be sure that the components you are using are still current. This can cause problems in old, long outdated manufacturing, but still necessary. Otherwise, you will not get the result you need. As consultants, we'll help implement work order controls, inspection protocols, and records of airworthiness. We'll also review the vendor approval processes, ensuring everything aligns with regulatory and customer experience and expectations.